guys, this is Jama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today for the series of clean makeup, as you know, I love clean makeup lately. Since I had my baby, I started switching up all the makeup for my clean makeup just because my baby is always with me, and just in case if she's gonna touch it, if she's gonna touch me or accidentally rubs her, so I feel safe with her. That was one of my main concerns when I was doing makeup. So I started switching my makeup more for clean makeup. So today I would like to show you with my new 3 findings at Sephora.com. As you know, Sephora is destination for all the good clean brands, and I would like to thank you, Sephora, for partnering up with me in this video. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get started. I will show you what I found at Sephora.com from clean brands. First thing first, we're gonna try before foundation. It's a Saie Star Glow Glowy Super Gel. It's a beautiful gel, like feels like really nice on the hands too. But I personally liked it when I applied it on my face first time. Feels so refreshing and cooling, and it just feels really nice and fresh on the skin. It gives you instant beautiful glow, and by touch it's not sticky at all. It feels super lightweight. Look at this, super nice. One thing I like, it doesn't feel like anything on the skin. It feels like you're applying just water. Even serum doesn't feel light like this usually, but this is the lightest. I'm applying this all over my face, but you can apply whatever you need extra glow. For example, if you're extremely oily, you don't have to apply all over your face like I am, but I like glow all over my face, so I'm applying everywhere. But you can apply only on the cheeks if you want to, so whatever you have dry skin. So as you can see, it just like loads with super moist and super glowy skin. The first time I had an amazing impression about it, and I've seen so many reviews online on Sephora.com too, so I definitely needed to try it, and it has been super life-changing. So I applied a little bit of foundation here and there just to give a little bit of coverage. So the next one, which we're gonna review, it's a Westman Atelier. It's a super loaded tinted highlighter. My color is Peau de Pêche, the one I choose. I think it's a beautiful color for a skin tone like mine. It has a little nice peachy tone, peachy bronzy, so you'll see it gives right away nice glow. It's just beautiful. You can apply this actually with fingers, or you can apply with a brush. I'm going to show you with a brush on this side. You can apply on the actual apple and apply this toward your temple, so it gives you a nice, really nice glow within. Oh my god, look at this. I love how much glow it gives you right away, and so much. Look at this difference. I love this glow, and this glow, it's not sticky glow, it's a jelly type of glow, so it feels really lightweight, feels nothing, it doesn't feel sticky. Even when you touch it, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It just stays like this, fresh, super nice all day. One of the Instagram filters was actually suggesting me apply blush a little bit of around the nose, so I'm gonna try with this too. Looks nice, I like it. I'm gonna do a little bit on the tip too, so my nose looks a little shorter. What you guys think? I think it's super pretty. This is great highlighter for photo session or every day, just if you want to look super fresh and super nice. I think this is it. This is super nice. The next one I wanted to review and show you, it's a Bite mascara. As you know, this is one of the clean brands at Sephora, brand Bite. All their lipsticks usually, why they used to call it Bite, because everything is edible, because everything in lipstick wise, everything's edible. That's how I remember the brand name Bite, because of the story. But now they have a really nice mascara, which a lot of people likes it, and when I tried it, I liked it too. First, it's clean, it's safe for sensitive skin. It doesn't have all the 50 bad ingredients which can be in the products, so this is a really nice one, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, which is perfect. Let's try to apply it. I don't have any lashes, so any improvement in my lashes, it's already good. Since I'm reviewing here only clean makeup at Sephora, I wanted to add this Merit lip oil. This one is a pink beet. This is one of my favorite right now lip glosses at this moment. You can see why I'm loving this. This gives you a really nice glow on the lips. It's just super nice, super refreshing too. Feels super lightweight, like oil actually. Voila, this is about it. Very nice no makeup look, which I'm doing it lately, to be honest. But the quality of the products, I'm just saying, it's just so good. If you're interested in, I'm gonna put links in description box. Check it out, and definitely let me know if you tried it too on Instagram and in the comments below if you tried it, if you liked it. So yeah, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.